Here we are in Lemon workshop. Today let me introduce its template sewing machine series. Lemon has been a professional manufacturer and producer since 2003 and developed a complete series template sewing machines for wide material. Some machines for car seat, leather, thick material. Some machines for silk thin material. And there are many different size machines according to different customers' requirements. From minimum size 30-45 cm to the biggest size 240 multiply 150 cm. So in the following days, I will introduce these machines and its functions to you one by one. Please follow me and show you more videos. Thank you.